Welcome. In this short tutorial, we will build a tiny C# console program that converts a temperature given in Celsius into Kelvin and Fahrenheit. This is a practical exercise for learning console input, basic arithmetic, and formatted output in C#. We'll walk through the code, explain the formulas, test an example, and highlight a few improvements you can make. Let's get started. We'll ask the user to type a Celsius temperature. Then we'll apply two simple formulas. Add 273 to get Kelvin and use the scale conversion Celsius times 18/10 plus 32 to get Fahrenheit. Note, the Fahrenheit formula here is integer friendly, rearrangement of the usual Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. Here's the complete program. We prompt the user, pass input as an integer using convert to int32, then compute Kelvin by adding 273 and Fahrenheit by multiplying by 18/10, which is 9/5, and adding 32. We print each result using console readline with 0 placeholders, so the output is neat and readable. Using integers keeps outputs simple, but we'll talk about precision next. Execution is linear. We read the Celsius value, convert into an integer, then compute Kelvin and Fahrenheit using arithmetic expressions. The Fahrenheit expression uses integer arithmetic, which is times 18/10, which also equals times 9/5. Because we use integers, results are whole numbers, which is okay for many simple use cases, but may lose fractional precision. Check some important points. 40 degrees Celsius becomes 313 Kelvin and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. 0 degrees Celsius is 273 Kelvin and 32 Fahrenheit. And negative 40 Celsius is negative 40 Fahrenheit. The formulas produce the same numeric value. For values where you need decimal precision, for example, 36.6 degrees Celsius, consider using double to avoid truncation. Temperature conversion is a common need in many domains: scientific instruments, weather apps, IoT sensors, and educational tools. A simple converter like this is a useful building block. You can extend it to accept floating point input, handle batches of readings, or add a GUI. To wrap up, we've built a compact C# converter that reads Celsius, prints Kelvin and Fahrenheit, and uses zero formatting for tidy output. If you need more accuracy, switch to double and compute Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 9.0 over 5.0 plus 32.0. For robustness, we use double TryParse or int TryParse to validate user input and handle bad entries gracefully. Great job! Try extending this to convert a list of temperatures or add unit selection options for a small utility app. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.